What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jayana, and once again, thank you for watching my video.
Mumsy, I'm so happy you're here.
So, you obviously came back because you want to see a new tutorial. And so today's tutorial is all going to be based on using all products from the Crayon case. So, I'm turning the TV down, but I absolutely love the Crayon case. It's affordable it's an affordable makeup brand. I basically have so many of their products, and I just figured, you know, I'll make a video about that today. You know, now that we're on quarantine, this is just a better chance for me to like work on my craft and perfect my craft. And I do have the hope of one day becoming a crayon cutie, hopefully, but that means I have to push out a whole lot more content and be a whole lot more consistent. And it's kind of been hard, being that well, first off, I'm still in school, have a lot of homework, like it ain't no joke, but I have a lot of homework. And two, I don't know, I can't never seem to find the time to push out content. Maybe if this was like the only thing I was doing, I could, but it's not. But anyway, I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm pushing out content today, and that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So if you want to see me complete this, pretty nice look I have up in my brain and I'm gonna be creating today, then please continue to watch. First thing that I need to do is prime my lids. So take my glasses off real quick. I'm gonna use the E.L.F. Hydrating Concealer in the color Tan Sand. I'm gonna use that to prime my lids. Alright, so I know I look crazy. I know. But I had to prime my lids. Anyway, moving on to the matte book. This is also from the Crayon case. So today I want to do just a really colorful summer type of look. So I'm gonna jump into this dark purple right here and place that into my crease. So, coronavirus. Let me stop laughing because it's really not a joke, but this is so serious, and I feel like people are just making so many jokes about it. People are dying from it. Like, I know we shouldn't have fear, but this doesn't scare y'all just a little bit, or it shouldn't like wake y'all up just a little bit to take things seriously and like stay home. Stay home, bro. Unless you need to come out your house, if you gotta get food, you gotta pay a couple bills, the essential things. But other than that, like, just stay home. Just for this amount of time, it's doing that to reduce the spread of the virus. And I don't know. I don't feel like people are taking it as serious as they should. I want them to, because I want to come out the house. But I can't if people won't stay in the house and this quarantine won't occur for another 30 days. See, like now in Georgia, it's only 10 days and people are making such a big deal out of it compared to the people like in California who can't leave their homes until April 30th. 2 months, I just hope people listen, Alright, so the next color that I'm going into is this orange right here, and I'm gonna place that, above the purple. Blend them I don't want to blend them so much together, but blend around the edges of the purple. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do is take this pink shade right here and blend it in between the orange and the purple. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do is first off wipe this brush off using the brush cleaner from the Crayon case. Just swirl it around in there. And then what I'm gonna do is take, let's see which, I'm gonna blend these two yellows together, and I'm gonna use that as my next color and blend out the edges of that orange. Alright, so I know what I'm gonna do now. So I just placed that concealer there just to like clean it up just a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is go back in basically with all of those colors, starting with that purple shade. Let me go back to, let me show y'all again. So starting with this shade right here, I'm gonna take that and go at an angle basically. So do is then go in with the pink. It's kind of looking good. Might have to bring the pink back in just a little bit into the crease. I might just leave it alone because I don't want to mess nothing up. So I don't need that. Oh, it's okay. So taking that pink, I should have showed y'all, but y'all already seen it. But here you go. There go the camera. Take. And to next, I'm gonna go in with the orange, and then I'm gonna go in with the yellow. And whatever is left over, I think I'm gonna go in with the Watch Me blush palette and take one of these shimmers and just place that. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but you know, my mind is a little crazy anyway, so it might turn out good. Alrighty then, so that's that. And I love it. I actually love it. Wow. I love it. So now what I'm gonna do is add myself a winged little liner, and for that I'm gonna use the Limey liquid liner from Crayon. They came out with a new eyeliner. I think it's called like a sharp pen. Yeah, I want it. I do. But I gotta use all this first before I go ahead and get another product. That's just how I am. Now I'm gonna add some mascara, and then I'm gonna add my lashes. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll get ready to do this pretty little face. Alright, so I'm back. I put on my lashes. These lashes came from Celeste, Los Angeles. The style is listed down in the description box, along as a full description of all the products that I've used today. You know, if you want to, you know, go out and purchase them, or you just wonder what I use. So Now we're gonna move on right to the face. So the first thing we need to do is prime my face, and I'm gonna use the E.L.F. Putty Poreless Putty Primer. Is it Illuminating Primer? I forgot the name of it. It's Illuminating Primer. I like using this because kind of shows a little bit of shine under my foundation. Alright, so next we're gonna do is foundation. And what I'm gonna do is knock the camera over. Is take this 24-hour Superstay foundation from Maybelline in the color 355 Coconut. We're gonna set this concealer that we had. So I have the Chalk Dust from the Crayon case, and I have it in the letter, let me turn it around the wrong other way, the letter N, whatever is left in the top. And I use that to set my concealer. Now if you've been watching my videos, you know that I don't bake, I just set my concealers. The Composition Notebook, also from the Crayon case, and what I like to do is take Berkey and Bobby, mix those two together, and I just, you know, carve out my face. I basically I know my palette is dirty, but Trophy, take Trophy. I absolutely love Trophy. I'm gonna mix Trophy and Paint Me. We're gonna see how this turns out. I absolutely love Trophy though. I absolutely love Trophy. But I'm gonna place that for my highlighter on my cheeks. Oh, that's one thing about the Crayon case, baby. Pigmentation, 2 little dots. So, what's up everybody? So if you watched this far, then you must really like me. I mean, I'm just saying. No, I appreciate y'all for staying this long, for watching and tuning into the video. So this is the complete look. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. You know, I've gained a couple more subscribers and things. I know I have to stay consistent with my content and to give y'all what y'all are looking for. You know, it's obvious that y'all like me, and I love y'all. I thank y'all so much. You know, my subscribers are not even subscribers. Y'all are true supporters, and y'all are gonna be the ones to, you know, help me get all the way. I appreciate and genuinely love y'all deeply. So thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell button so you're notified of my next upload. Comment down below what next look. Most importantly, stay safe out there. Stay safe, wash those hands, sanitize, you know, do whatever it is that you think you should do to keep yourself safe. You know, so we gotta protect ourselves. We have to. We have to protect ourselves from this virus with it spreading just so rapidly. It's kind of unbelievable that some people aren't taking it as serious, but this is serious. You know, people are dying. People are dying. You have to take this serious. So, keep yourself safe. Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see y'all in my next video.